What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Am I standing in Walmart? No, you guys, of course I'm not, but it kind of looks like I'm standing at one of the Walmart t-shirt tables. I just found a huge variety of bright summer color t-shirts for $1.25 each, and there are sizes up to 5XL. So if you guys haven't ran into your Dollar Tree lately and looked at these nice quality shirts, definitely come in and take a look, especially if you're looking for larger sizes, plus sizes, or big and tall sizes. We do have some really nice Gildan Ultra Cotton shirts in sizes up to 5XL, and that's adults 5XL, not children's. Yes, plus sizes are here, and it's by a brand that you know and love, Gildan. We have a variety of adult polos. We have a variety of oranges. So if you love orange, if you love yellow, we have a variety of really nice oranges and yellow. And we even have some pastel pretty colors in long sleeves. This is a Gildan Ultra Collection shirt. We also have a variety of pretty blues. This is by Hanes. This is a EcoSmart Youth large, and it's stamped irregular. So definitely inspect any shirt that you get from Dollar Tree, because sometimes we do see little tiny holes or imperfections. It's pretty rare when we do, but sometimes we do. And then we also have shirts by Anvil, and these are super soft and nice. This is a V-neck, and this is in size XS, which is extra small, ladies extra small. We have even more polos in here if you love wearing polos, or maybe if you have to wear them for work or for your job or your company that you own. We have a variety of polos here. Maybe you're starting a business and you want to outfit everyone that works for you with a t-shirt. Come in here, pick your color. We have a variety of adult polos. These are all the premium ones. Some of our stores even carry some of the dry fit Gildan shirts, which is like that, you know, dry fit material that is really good if you're out in the heat. And then we also have your basic cotton blend Hanes t-shirts. We have colors like red, we have gray, we have multiple colors of orange, including like the bright construction orange. And don't forget to head over to the sort of tool aisle, because we have those boonie hats in here, and they're like the big sun hats, and they have the reflective like orange and yellow. They're like, you know, maybe if you're working on a road crew, or if you're doing some kind of risky work, you know, on your property or on your road, and you're kind of out there by the street, they do have those new reflective hats in. I'm just finding so many over here, you guys. I'm finding black and white. This is another Gildan. This is 4XL premium cotton. You guys couldn't even go to the thrift store and get a shirt of this quality for $1.25. And then we have all of these hanging up as well. We have Anvil. We have the All Style Apparel brand. We have Delta. We even have some tanks in here. This location has a lot of cut-off tanks, not, you know, the thin strap tanks, but more so where the sleeves are cut off. We have some red Gildan and extra small, that's adults. We have kids. The Hanes Cool Dry is so soft. Now this one is irregular, and as you can see, it has a little tiny hole in it. We have a nice gray, and this is a dry blend medium with a collar. Super nice. Then over here we have some Gildan classic tanks. These are in 2XL. We have medium. We even have some baby sizes in white. Performance by Gildan. This location just has a lot. So if you guys need a t-shirt for any occasion, a family reunion, for work, for sleeping, maybe you like to cut shirts up and you know, style them a certain way for summer. Maybe you need a big shirt as like a pool cover up. Just come on in here, you guys, and at least take a look. This is an adult extra large. This is a Hanes. It doesn't quite look like an extra large to me. It looks like maybe a large, but it's super nice for $1.25. This is the X Temp. Yeah, really nice. I might even take this one home. I think I will. I think I'll take it home for one of my kids. You guys, we have tons of new socks, and I actually put some on my cart. I pulled them aside and I wanted to share them with you guys. We have the Sloths. This is the Beverly Hills Polo Club. We also see this brand at Walmart. We have this variety here. We have the Bum Equipment liner socks. We have 2 different varieties of these. The other one I think is green and blue. We have these socks, and the brand is Kids Corner, from ages 6 to 18 months. 6 pairs of socks. And look, you guys, these cost $7.99 at whatever store they came from. $7.99. I want to say probably like JCPenney or something like that. They have the little skid proof sizing on the bottom. We have more socks from Beverly Hills Polo Club. Again, this is a brand we can find at Walmart. I know Walmart sells the clothes there with that brand, Beverly Hills Polo Club. I've seen some of their shirts and sweaters. It's kind of trying to be like Polo, like Ralph Lauren. This one is really cute. Sunglasses and lemonade. Super cute. And then we have, you guys are gonna love this one. We have rainbows, stars, clouds, and unicorns driving pink Cadillacs. And then we have this super cute one here. I really like this one a lot. I think that's kind of adorable, but I totally don't need any more socks. I have some other things here in my cart too, you guys, that you might want to look at. We have the Lucky Fortune Fizzy Bath Golden Eggs. These are brand new this week. I wanted to share these with you guys. This super cute infant flatware. It's BPA free. I just loved the cute little animals on there. We have new pineapple and unicorn sponges that are new this week. We also have the lemon soda and watermelon hand lotion. We have 3 new colors of these little beach bags. We have orange, we have green, and we have pink. I just found these on an end cap. Look, you guys, 100 caplets for $1.25. These are comparable to Tylenol Extra Strength. 100, and these are 500 milligrams, 100 caplets for $1.25. Now, sometimes we see these and it's like 20 or 40 in a bottle, and that's not really the best deal because Walmart sells them cheaper. But this is definitely outvaluing Walmart. I also have some other things in my cart. Yellow popcorn by Jolly Time. This is 1 pound, 4 ounces. And some Snyder's rods. I just dropped all of those socks. And then we have the family size JoJo Strawberry Bop cereal, 15.9 ounces. I also grabbed some of these Diaboline sandwiches. These are the cookies by Quetara. These are marshmallow biscuits with coconut. If you love coconut, you're gonna love these. And there's another Diaboline, or maybe it's not Diaboline, but it's by the same brand in a pink box. However, the saturated fat on the other one is higher. This has 1.5 grams of saturated fat per 4 pieces. Look at this one too. This one is new also, you guys. Yoga Kitty, very 80s. We got 80s vibes going on. We also have pads, the sparkle pads. I wanted to show you guys this drink right here because this is something I've never seen before. Have you guys ever seen a Shirley Temple in a glass jar before? Like, I've never seen a Shirley Temple that's been bottled up. And that's a drink that I used to like to have when I was a little girl. Boylan Bottling Company, Shirley Temple cane sugar, 12 ounces. It is not sugar free. It's 180 calories for the bottle, but I just thought it was worth mentioning. And then of course, you guys, we have others from Boylan. We have cream, we have black cherry. We also have Jones cane sugar soda and green apple. We have cream soda. And then of course we have tons of other bottled drinks as well, like Martinelli's. We have some other bottled 100% real sugar sodas. This is blue raspberry. So definitely come over here and check out the drinks, because we definitely have some new drinks for the week. But all right, you guys, that's it for me here down this aisle. I think I'm going to start a whole other video, and then I'm off to Aldi to get my groceries. But I had a lot of fun sharing all these shirts and socks and drinks and things with you guys. Definitely check out the sock section, because we have lots of name brand socks, brands like Mossy Oak. We have Fruit of the Loom. We even have therapy socks. I don't know if you guys have checked the sock and like t-shirt and underwear prices in Walmart lately, but the prices are getting very high if you ask me. Like a pack of, like, you know, those shirts they call A shirts in the package, those are $20 for like 5 or 6 shirts, and the socks are like $15 for like 8 to 10 pairs of socks. So I'm really noticing that the prices are getting high on a lot of the basic items that we need. So definitely consider coming down this aisle and seeing if you can save yourself a few dollars. I mean, if you got 3 of these, this would be $3.75 compared to paying like $15 at Walmart, you know? So, I mean, if you ask me, that's a really good price. And then they have men's socks here as well. 3 for $1.25. And sometimes you can luck up and you can get kid socks like I showed you guys here, where you can get 6 pair for $1.25, and that's where you're really getting the good deal at. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. Come back to my very next video. Also check out some of my recent Aldi videos. There are tons of deals going on in Aldi this week as they clearance out their winter and spring items and some of their regular everyday items, including clothes and furniture. You guys don't want to miss out on that. I want you guys to save as much money as possible, so definitely check those videos out, and go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe if you guys haven't yet. I'd love to have you as part of the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.